Hi, here's another video. I bought this Logik LCD9W23 condenser dryer, spares and repairs. Seller reckons there's a problem with the pump. So let me just give it a try, see what happens. I've checked the plug for damage. Things seem fine. Switch it on. And it seems to be running okay. Just open it up. And it is warming up. Let me just chuck this damp cloth in there. It seems to be running fine. 30 minutes. It's nice and warm inside here. It is damp inside here, so there's no problem with the heater. But unfortunately, there's absolutely no water in here whatsoever. No condensed water. So what I'm going to do is just spray a bit of water into the tank at the bottom, the reservoir. And straight away it's beeping. So it's detected that the tank is full. You can see a bit of water coming out there. Okay. So let me just undo the pump assembly. This is where the condensed water is stored before it's pumped up to the reservoir. If you have a look here, this is the indicator that indicates that the tank is full, which it is. It's full of water, so it pushes the polystyrene up, triggers a switch, and puts the red light on. So I'll just dismantle it further here. Just removing the pump assembly with the water full indicator. And let me just move the back of the pump, or the bottom of the pump here, so you can see the impeller there. It's supposed to be spinning. Okay, so let me just switch the machine on. And the machine is running, but the impeller is not working. So there's more likely a problem there. Obviously it's not spinning. So I've had a look at it. It seems okay. It's usually a brushless motor on these, which tend to last a lifetime. But I've had a look on the internet. They're about 18 to 60 quid to replace. So I've ordered a new one. Just gonna wait for that to arrive. And like I said, this one, the impeller's not spinning on it. So in the meantime, what I'm going to do is get rid of the lint on this machine. I've removed the control panel. There's a lot of lint under here and inside the machine. Obviously this machine's not been maintained correctly. That's why there's a lot of lint in here. And just show you around the back, it's a reservoir also full of lint. So let me just give it a jet blast from the washer. Just get rid of all the lint on the machine, and then I'm just going to leave that for a few days to dry out. Okay, the part's here and I've fitted it and it's working now. That pump is turning the impeller. It's just the camera makes it look flickery like that. As you can see, I've got the machine running there. Okay, I've tested it, it seems to be working fine. Put some clothes in there, full drum of towels, and when I've come back it's reached the end of its cycle. It'll tell you there to empty the water tank and clean the filter at the end of each cycle. So that's what I'm going to do now. First and foremost, I'm going to get these towels out. They're nice and dry and cool now. The machine dries the towel with heat and then cools them down. So let me just speed this section up while I get these towels out and fold them up and just place them on top of the machine. I'll just do that a bit lively. Okay, just take them away. They're nice and dry now. So what I'm going to do now, there's a lot of lint around this machine, so I'm going to test it again. But first of all, I'm going to back up this all this fluff and lint from around the door. And from around the door frame. And then I'm just going to pop this lint filter out. You're supposed to clean this after every cycle because you get a build of lint, like you can see here. So just get my vacuum on it and vac it up. I usually just use a soft like a paintbrush or soft brush, just to brush it into the bin. One thing, we've got the Hoover out to get the soft brush on it and give it a good clean. And there's a condenser on the bottom which also needs a good clean once a month. Also usually neglected because it's tucked out of the way. And just clean around the section here. And then just pop the Hoover inside the housing for the filter. We normally get like the coins and pocket contents down here. So let's get that clean as well. Okay, show you here. Let's pop this filter back in. Put it in the right way. It'll only fit in one way. And then this the reservoir. You can see it's full of water now. All that drying, all that condensed water builds up in here. Just going to tip that out. You can use this to water your plants apparently. It's cool. But I'm just going to tip it all out here. Ready for the next drying cycle. And then this machine's ready for the next cycle. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.